Motorsport Celebration. It's basically a 2-day event, but I'm here just for the Saturday basically. So yeah, got some really cool cars, all sorts of stuff, classics, new stuff, all going on track. Yeah, it's a Lotus Elan there, very nice. So yeah, so I'm going to catch up some footage for you guys and sort of bring you along the day and see what I find, and then sort of go from there. But I'll catch up with you guys maybe a bit later on and try and do some car spotting, etc. Hope you enjoy the video. Catch you guys in a bit. Car park spot of the day, Aston Martin GT8. That's amazing. Incredible. This is the first A35 I've actually seen in the flesh, and sounds ridiculous, it's probably living in the rock. But yeah, no, quite cool. Apologies for the generator noise behind me. Delta Integrale hide in the paddock. Very, very nice. Immaculate spec. Paint's incredible. Wheels are like new. Very, very, very nice. Old school Lotus Elan in the very retro colours, very, very cool. Nice BMW M2 competition. Lovely E-type jag, very, very nice. Probably can't hear me because of the generator. Just found this lovely Grand 720S, lovely like pearlescent white colour, very, very nice. Carbon ceramic brakes, a couple of cool single-seater cars, small classics. These are very, very nice. I like these very much. This is the stuff I like. Almost identical cars. Very, very nice. Very cool looking SQ5. Love the British racing green colour. Pretty tasty stuff in the car park. Lovely RS6 here. Still very interesting one of these. Maybe hopefully test drive one at some point. It's a Giulietta QV Cloverleaf, 240 brake, bucket seats. It's got the TCT gearbox and the engine from the Alfa Romeo 4C. So yeah, quite interesting. This front wheel drive, obviously. hot hatch. Picked one up for about 15-16 grand, decent one. Yeah, really interested in them. Now it's a bit quieter and the racing stopped for a minute. I'm just going to take you around this really nice GT3 RS which I've come across. Red wheels with the red livery as well, which looks quite nice, and the red mirror caps. Really nice. Full race spec. Got some really nice GT40's, and I believe these are probably replicas. I never know how way to tell really, if I want to do, but some really cool nice ones. That's nice. That's very nice. Although I do like the classic liveries. Yeah. That is the original, isn't it? White with blue stripes. It's like the Ford Shelby special. Now that is stunning. Very nice. The racing has stopped for the afternoon, so just heading now back through the pedestrian tunnel into the pits. I'm going to go and meet up with the guys from Lister. They've got a car there. They've got an LFT666. It's basically a modified Jaguar F-Type with 666 horsepower. Able to 200 mile an hour, not 63.2 seconds, etc. Tiff Needell is apparently taking the car on track at some point, which would be a nice spectacle. So yeah, so we're going to head over there now, and I'll catch you guys in a bit once I meet up with some of the marketing guys. There she is, the beast. Lister LTF666. just come across this Carrera, which is absolutely stunning. Really, really nice, immaculate condition. That is very, very nice. Love the white and the green contrast as well. I think it looks really cool, especially the wheels as well. And it's got the green centerpiece band on the steering wheel, which is nice. Very, very nice.